Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I did get a new modification for my Jeep for Christmas, so we are going to be installing that today. And I guess I'm just going to jump right in. Here is the new headlights that I got. Obviously this is just one of them, but it's like blacked out inside of it, which I really think is going to pull together the whole front end of the Jeep. As you guys know, I did install the black grille. So if we just compare the stock headlight to this one, I think it's going to really pull together the whole front end of the Jeep. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how to install these. So before we get started, I just want to tell you guys the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a pick tool to remove these plastic clips here and some around the bumper as well, around the bottom here. You're going to need, it's supposed to be a 7mm right here to remove your bumper. And again, there's more plastic clips to remove. Bolts on the headlights are supposed to be a 10mm. You should just need the tool to remove the clips, a 7mm and a 10mm, and it should be pretty simple. So in order to get your headlights out, we do need to remove the grille and we need to either lower your bumper or completely take it off. So the first step is to remove your grille. You're gonna remove all these plastic clips on here. I'm gonna use an interior trim remover piece, and your clips should just lift up out of there. Now that your front grille is removed, the next step is to come behind this corner of your bumper here, right by your tire, and remove this bolt here and then these two clips. This is 7 if it's a stock fitment. So this is how the side of my bumper is looking. For now, I did try and leave this bottom clip. They're very hard to get out. So I'm gonna see if I can leave it like this and not fully remove the bumper. But the next step is going to be to remove all of these little clips that are along the front here so that we can lower the bumper to get to the bolts behind it. Clips are removed and you can lower the bumper just enough that you're able to reach this bolt, and there's one way back there you'll need an extender for as well. Your headlights will have this plastic just like decorative trim piece on it, so that just like lifts up and pulls out. Okay, now that that top trim piece is removed, you can see that there's one bolt there, there's one right there close underneath the headlight, and there's one further back there. Those should all be 10mm. This red clip will pull apart, and then this is a pinch and pull apart your connector. Both of the stock headlights are out, so my new one does not come with bulbs, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these bulbs out, which are new anyway, and just swap them over to this one before I actually install the housing back into the Jeep. Okay, so the aftermarket ones, they do already come with the orange bulb, so I'll just go ahead and use that. I got my low beam and my high beam installed, so now we are good to put the housing back into the Jeep. Headlights are plugged in, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn my lights on and make sure that it works before I keep going. Alright, the lights work, so we're all good to go. I know in the clip I only showed the low beams, but the high beams, they work as well. Just can't see it very well right now, but they do work. So we're good to finish the installation.
Oh, dude, now it just needs to wrap. Oh my god.
What do you think?
That looks so good.
I haven't looked yet.
That looks so good. Wow.
All right, guys, you ready for a look? Oh, wow. You guys.
It's very hard to picture it
Holy.
without the headlights on it, but once you get it on it, night and day difference.
Wow.
Dude, it looks like
Wow.
it's updated.
I'm literally speechless. Like, I've been wanting to do this forever, but I wasn't.
Feels awesome.
I wasn't exactly sure like how it would look, if it would actually look good, so I kept putting it off, but this looks so good.
Dude, the angle with the wheels.
Oh yeah, look at her, she's like complete now with the tinted windows, the black grille, the blacked out badging, now the black headlights, and even if we walk around you won't be able to see the headlights anymore, but the tail lights are also blacked out. Oh guys, it just looks so good. There's no more chrome, no more white. Wow, I'm like really speechless right now because this looks so good. Okay guys, so honestly, like, I really love this look. I love it. It completed the front end like I was hoping it would. It looks so much better than those stock white gross looking headlights. And honestly, as I was doing this, I realized I don't think those were even the stock headlights. It seemed like they'd been replaced. There were parts that were broken that would only be broken if you replace the headlights. So I don't even think those were stock headlights. But anyway, one thing I noticed is the fitment on these is a little bit different. Like, it tucks in more under the hood and the fender, but that's okay. I really, 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 really like this look. So. Alright guys, it is freezing out here today, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video, but make sure to let me know what you think of these headlights in the comments below. I really like them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and also let me know if you think there's any other modifications I should do to my Jeep. At this point, I'm pretty happy with how the exterior looks. If anything, like, wrap it, but I don't even know about that, so we'll see. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next video.